wow. Lahat ng mga video ko, meron na siyang, may pakanta na siya. Anyways, ngayon, we are going to make Graham balls! So, I will be teaching you on how to do this recipe. And I'm so excited to share that I usually use whenever I do mga pa-fair sa school, mga event, mga New Year, Christmas, lahat na, guys, name it. Wow, name it. I didn't really make this recipe. It's my tita, so I give her all the credit. Like, she taught me, so I'm so thankful to her. Yes, I really want to share this with a lot of kids because it's really easy. Super dali siya. You only need, apat na ingredients, and yan. So, I'll tell you what are the ingredients, and we'll get started. First step, we will put in our crushed graham. So, here it is. At nandiyan din siya sa photo. So, yan. I-add mo siya lahat. Pwede 3, mga 3-pack, as much as you want. Ooh. Okay, so next, you'll need condensed milk. Yan. But, may pa-twist. Don't add in all. Dandahan mo siyang imimix, ihahalo mo siya add lahat. And this is where you can start to roll your graham. So, i-roll mo siya na ganon. So, makalat siya, yes, at first. But, depende po sa inyo. Parang pastillas, i-roll mo na siya. Depende kung makalat na tayo, guys. Makalat kasi ako, guys, pag magluto or maggawa ng ganito. Then, I get marshmallow! Our third ingredient is marshmallow. Then, i-spread mo siya. Pagka-spread mo, lagay mo yung marshmallow sa loob. And then, you're gonna cover. Dapat i-cover mo yung marshmallow. Cover mo siya. Marshmallow. Then, ito ang favorite part ko. Lalagay ko po siya sa sprinkles. So, we have 3 different sprinkles. So, ang una ko lalagyan yung pink. Kasi I'm so attracted with this pink color. I-roll mo yan siya dyan. Hanggang ma-cover siya. And, there! You have a graham ball. But, you have to put it on the plate because you have to put it in the refrigerator to make it cold. See? So, we are done! Oh my gosh! So, these are the graham balls that I did. So, they're very colorful. Masarap sa mata. Masarap din kainin. So, you have to put this in the fridge about maybe mga, how many ba?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Ganon. 30 minutes. Paminsan ako 1 hour because I really like them hard. That's really nice. But I'll try one in front of you guys. I'll try my last one because I mix all the colors. Kasi medyo kulang. Para art din. So this is, it has to be hard para mas masarap kainin. But we'll eat it now. Oh my God. Excited ako. Ang sarap na. Marshmallow sa loob. So, yun. Tapos ang manguya ng ilang minuto. So, yun. You can put this in the fridge for 1 hour. Yeah, I really encourage you to do this at home. And also with your parents to have bonding, you know. Para kahit na sa bahay tayo, pwede pa rin tayo mag-have fun and mag-bonding. I would call it really a dessert. Yeah. So yes, nag-stick na siya. So, it's really easy. Kung kaya kong gawin, kaya na rin. So yes. Thanks guys for watching. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Lahat ng button, pindutin nyo lahat. So, bye y'all! Thank you!